Hello everyone! Today I'm trying to make just a short video to show you how I'm doing the basic knots in the friendship bracelets. This is the bracelet I'm working on for commission now, and it has a lot of alternating forward and backward knots, so it's quite ideal to show you how I do the knots on this one. This is my usual setup when I'm out and about. I use a safety pin to pin the bracelet directly to my trousers or to my backpack, or I use a cotton scarf to pin it to and then tie around my leg or some other support. Otherwise, I might use a pillow when I'm at home and pin it again with the safety pin to a pillow. Now, here, I need to make one forward knot of the blue on the blue. So how I'm doing that is I hold the string like this, I make a loop with my pointing finger, and I roll the string on my thumb and pull it through. Tighten it up like this, and again roll it with my thumb and my pointing finger and tightening it up. Now I need to make a backward knot with the red one on the blue one. So I'm doing that by making a loop like this with the fourth finger and rolling again with the thumb against my middle finger, pulling it through. Again, making a loop like this, inserting my middle finger there and rolling against my thumb, pulling through and tightening so that it's neat. Now again a forward knot, so holding my strings like this, inserting my pointing finger and rolling between that and my thumb to make a forward knot. And again, and that's the forward knot done. Again, a backward knot with the red one, rolling like this, and again, and that's this half of the row down. On the other side, I need to make two backward knots with the green one, so rolling like this, and again, and once more, making it neat and tight enough, then switching like this, using the red one to make a forward knot, again with the rolling motion of the thumb, and then continuing with the green one with a backward knot, and the blue one with a forward knot. If I was to make a backward forward knot, I would just do half of one and the other half of the other one with the same motions that I just showed you. So this is how I do it. And when I was younger, when I was a teen, I used to do that trick with separating the strands, the thread, putting it in between my fingers like this, rolling the rest of the strings like this, and using, if it was for 3 or 4 of the same knots in the row, using that to make all of the knots, again with the same motion, rolling the thread like this and going all the way through the ready threads. It keeps good tension on the threads. It's quite useful, but it's not what I do now because it takes quite a bit of time and it's not useful for every pattern. So I just hold my threads apart like this, and it's enough to go in between them with my finger. So This is how I do my knots and how I work on my bracelets. If you like it, please give me a like on this video. You can comment on the video as well to let me know what do you think about this. And I will link all my social media in the description of the video, and I will be glad if you comment anywhere on my social media, connect with me, interact with me, and visit my coffee maybe, and have a great time. Enjoy crafting and enjoy the colors. Goodbye.